muta.
Mwasiba muta.
Yeah, and in Luganda, musibye mutya.
Musibye mutya.
Abatulaba.
Abatulaba.
Okay, thank you so much. How do you feel when you're staying at Nataha, Makara Nataha Hotel?
Very good, of course. They've been treating us very well. They've kept our rally car very safely, and they've managed to make sure our crew is well taken care of through the entire day. We really appreciate the sponsorship, and we're very proud to be holding their logo on our rally car.
NKORE Media niyo yonke yokushanga ebirungi nkebyo. What's NKORE Media?
NKORE Media TV, thank you so much for watching. Mwebale kutukunda. Erizoba tuliaha Makara Nataha Hotel. Turi naba Pearl of Africa rally. Leka umujenyi wetu habanza tuyanjure. But umujenyi wetu today, she's going to use English. I'm happy and delighted to welcome you to NKORE Media TV. What's your name?
My name is Eva Louise.
Okay, Eva Louise, you're from which country? Are you Ugandan?
I'm from the Netherlands, but I've lived here for 15 plus years.
Wow, you know Luganda, you know Lunyankole?
A little, katono.
Okay, say hello in Lunyankole.
You have to teach me.
How mwasiba muta.
Mwasiba muta.
Yeah, and in Luganda, musibye mutya.
Musibye mutya.
Abatulaba.
Abatulaba.
Okay, thank you so much. How do you feel to be in Western Uganda?
I love it. It's very beautiful. We've been going through our sections. We've been enjoying our stay at Nataha. I think it's been going well, and I've really been enjoying this region of the country, which I haven't visited frequently before. So I'm very happy to be here.
Okay, and how do you feel to be part of the Pearl of Africa rally?
I'm of course very happy given the opportunity to be a co-driver for the Big Bang Racing team. Of course very happy. This event carries a lot of international attention, being that it's the African Rally Championship. So drivers have come from across all of Africa to attend this event. So it carries a lot of international sponsors, international attention, international media. So I think it's something you can be proud of once you get to reach that stage.
Okay, how do you feel when you're staying at Nataha, Makara Nataha Hotel?
Very good, of course. They've been treating us very well. They've kept our rally car very safely, and they've managed to make sure our crew is well taken care of through the entire day. We really appreciate the sponsorship, and we're very proud to be holding their logo on our rally car.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you more.
Say goodbye and greetings in Luganda. Mbala musiza, bye-bye.
Mbala musiza, bye.
Hana bara musayine Runyankore nabendeza izoba rirungi.
That one is hard.
Okay, nabara musa.
Nabara musa.
Thank you so much.
Thank you more.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching Pearl of Africa rally tuliaha Makara Nataha. Bantu mwen tubeta kujom Pearl of Africa rally netandika nyensakare paka Sunday from 7th paka 10th. Nene one of the big guys abakuza kuvuga. Leka atwakureho, let him greet us. Hello, you're welcome to NKORE Media TV.
Oh, thank you.
Your names?
Amazina Banyata Bahizi Dennis.
Bahizi Dennis na manyoru Nyankore. Okay, Bahizi Dennis, how do you feel to be part of the Pearl of Africa rally?
I'm very happy about it. Nashemererwa. Mbarara yatwachira. We are so happy. And we are waiting to perform and see what we can do on Friday and Saturday.
You're from here, you're from Uganda, or you're from other country?
Yes, born and raised in Entebbe, so I'm Ugandan.
You're Ugandan. Okay. How is Western Orebota Western yitu?
Western Ninunji. Abantu batwachira. We are so happy. We have been well accommodated, especially by this beautiful place, Makara. Thank you very much for the service. We are happy to be in Mbarara.
Okay. Aha Makara Nataha ebirungi biwagireba eyine enibiha.
Abaine rooms nungi, abaine restaurant nungi. They make very good food, Accommodation is superb. Ekintu kyona kyokwenda bakiina amagara.
Okay, hati ntwendo tweho background y'omurimu ogu. This is a job. Okay, nitwendo tweho background okijota to be part of the lari, and how do you feel okubori omuvugi w'emotoka z'empaka nywe ninzitina n'okuzitina?
It is in strong. Yeah, I grew, like I said, I grew up in Entebbe, in a place called Garuga. Garuga has one of the best racetracks in Uganda, Speedway racetrack. So ekeri hi nomka. So I grew up seeing rally cars going there. Katunga love yo mzano. And eventually tukatandikana buggies. Buggies are the small cars for one person. We started with buggies and eventually graduated to this beautiful machine you see here, the GC8. Yep, so my background, my parents really loved the sport. They used to take us as kids. But even back then, it was like an attainable dream. And you feel like you cannot do it, or you're not in position to ever get there to do it. But you know, God's plans are, you plan, but God always has the final say. So eventually, we are now in a position where we can also rally, represent our sponsors very well, and we are happy to do that this weekend in Mbarara.
Okay. Eche kintu kiri expensive.
Emotoka zona ziba expensive. Konkezi, they're a bit more expensive because of the maintenance. Ulikwe kugenda muhanda, ehendeka, or repairinga, ebintu bifa, otamwe ebindi. So it is expensive, but once you have the passion for it, you find that everything else comes easily. Ekintu wano chikunda, tok hendeka, you don't even feel that you're spending a lot on the car because of the love you have for the sport.
Okay, abazira bingi nibatina abana babo kujoininga eche kintu nibatekateka abana nibakufa atabazire nibagira nti kiri expensive omwana w'omworo ningashi omuzire w'omworo takubasa such an activity. Abazire bo bakatwereka this thing when we were younger. Batwejesa what it takes to do this thing. Oyine kugenda waronda sente, then you come. Bokuba wata home rally otine sente, niza kuba very difficult. So bakatwejesa how it's done. Our parents loved it. They were fans. So they taught us how to do it right, and we are happy to represent them and do it right now. Okay, omuzira ari kutureba no muhaburota hamuzanogu ni gugoba umwana gujoininge ninga no kutamukora rose.
Kutamukora loss eventually no ikahantu wa becoming a well conversant with the sport, because our budget no one knows mine, ekintu chafa no manye bei. So it becomes expensive. Wotakunda mzano, wotakufayo. Even the mechanics can tell you engine yafa, wotakumanya engine yafa kwekuba no ihamu ehurire otam eri spoiled. So you have to love the sport and it will become very easy.
Okay, nibirungi ki byobwinemu ba omuvugi w'emotoka y'empaka?
Ekyo kubanza no kumanyana n'abantu. Because we are social capital. We are so very many people, and we have the same love for the sport. I have met very many people. They have opened very many business doors. Like today, we are here at Mbarara, Nataha Hotel. How else would we have known these beautiful people and this beautiful place if it wasn't for rally? So that is the number one thing. Dr. Home Rally thinking go atungo mrimu was a tunga sente. Echo techiri. Ebindi nibija becoming a semi-professional. Ba sponsors nga ba Kainela, Banana Juice, ba Amakara, Nataha Hotel. They see value in attaching their brand to yours. Yeah, but before you build a name that people see value in, you have to invest like any other business. No muntu okwenda kutaho hotel, nata msente. Ataka tunjire customer even one. Nabanze yata msente, yata mabitanda, you know, beautiful things. Then those beautiful things attract the customers. That is the same with this sport. You have to invest. After you have invested, the other things will come and find you.
Okay, thank you so much. Akagambo kamwe ningashi bubiri bwo kwereza omwana ryokwe ari kureba ari kwegumba ekiye kicyori na nomuzira ryokwe.
Abana, do not stop dreaming. Dreams can come true. Even us, you see us here, we are rallying, but there was a time in our lives when we thought this couldn't be possible. But if you believe in yourself, you have the discipline to put in the work, eventually you will get here and even bigger things than this. So just stay strong. If you love something, stick to it. It will always work out.
Okay, thank you so much. We are blessed. Thank you. Ankole Media TV, thank you so much. Tubugabugane on Part of Africa Rally ebiro mushanju paka ebiro 10.
Ankole Media niyo yonke yokushanga ebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati Ankole Media, Ankole.